Hi guys, let's walk through how to use your Database Pro. This is going to be very simple, I promise. Think of the Database Pro like a power strip for your laptop. Instead of one plug, you now have lots of plugs working at the same time. Step 1, of course, open the box. Inside your box, this is what you should see. Your Database Pro Hub, one short USB-C cable, and your warranty card. That's it, you don't need anything else to get started. Step 2 is going to be scan the QR code. Before you plug anything in, go ahead and scan this QR code on the back of your hub, or just go to magfast.com/FP. This registers your lifetime warranty and turns on Lost and Found. Step 3, plug in power. Now this is optional, but recommended. Now take a USB-C power adapter, the same kind used for many laptops. And of course, we recommend using PowerBrick 140 and Lux Pro to power all your MagFast devices. Plug it into the port on the back of the hub that's labeled Power In. Step 4 is connect to your computer. Take the included USB-C cable and plug it into the out port on the back of the hub. And then with the other end, you're going to plug that straight into your laptop. Wait about 5 seconds and that's it. Your computer now sees the hub automatically. Step 5, plug your devices in. Now for the fun part, just plug things into your hub. Mouse, keyboard, monitor, internet cable, external hard drive, memory cards, everything connects instantly. When you unplug the cable from your laptop, you're mobile again. And then when you plug it back in, everything reconnects by itself. And that's really it. One cable to your laptop, and then you get to plug in all your devices, and you're done. Thank you for choosing MagFast and enjoy your Database Pro.